Hello friends, this is Samir Telang and I am going to deliver a series of lecture on Save Lake and Save Environment. This is my first video on YouTube and I am talking about this lake, that is Ambazari Lake. I am from Orange City, Nagpur. The city is situated at central India. I am just 7 kilometers away from 0 mile. Now this Ambazari Lake is situated near southwest border of Nagpur in the state of Maharashtra, India. It is one of the beautiful lake among 11 lakes in Nagpur and is the largest lake in the city. The Nag River of Nagpur originates from this lake. This was built up in the year 1870 under Bhosle rule for supplying water to the city. Government official and eminent people were supplied water through clay pipes. Earlier name of this lake was Bimbazari, as surrounded by mango trees, gaining name Ambazari, as Amba means mango in Marathi. Marathi is the local language of this state. This lake is just near to Vishweshwaraya National Institute of Technology and just near to metro station also. The lake was used to supply water for over 30 years, but due to pollution it is currently not used as a water supply. The lake also has a garden just near to this lake. The garden was established in 1958 on the approximately 18 acres of land. This place is managed and preserved by Nagpur Municipal Corporation. The musical foundation, various electric rides and amusement games were once present in the garden but have been discontinued. The garden is frequented by walkers in the morning and in the afternoon it turns into a couple spot. Radio speaker were added in the park which plays soothing music, and green gym also the attraction. This is one of the famous tourist attraction of Nagpur. Since long I am coming to this lake for swimming, but unfortunately I can say that this lake becoming more polluting day by day due to various factors, and now this is the last chance to prevent our lake and earth. Now question arise, what is this water pollution? So friends, water bodies, that is lake, river, ocean and groundwater, get contaminated due to discharge of pollutant in the water bodies without any treatment to remove harmful compounds. Water pollution adversely affects not only aquatic plants and animals but it also affects human being and ecosystem. Now question is, what are the causes of water pollution? So friends, first cause is water pollution is due to severe sewage and wastewater. Second is dumping. Dumping of solid waste and litters in the water bodies causes huge problem. Litters include glass, plastic, aluminium, etc. So different things take different amount of time to degrade in water. They affect aquatic plants and animals. Industrial waste is also another factor and industrial waste contains pollutants like asbestos, lead, mercury, petrochemicals, which are extremely harmful to both people and environment. Oil pollution. Sea water get polluted due to oils spilled from the ships and tankers while traveling. So this is also one of the reason. Acid rain. Acid rain is the pollution of water caused by air pollution. When the acidic particle caused by air pollution in the atmosphere mix with the water vapor, it results in acid rain. Global warming is another factor. Due to global warming, there is an increase in temperature. This increase in temperature result in death of aquatic plants and animals. This also result in bleaching of coral reefs in water. So these are the various things. So now we'll discuss about the treating polluted water. So it is important to prevent polluting of water bodies and remove existing contamination or reducing the concentration of this contaminated so as to make it fit for desired use. Following are some ways I am suggesting. First is industrial treatment. The raw sewage is needed to treated correctly in the water treatment plant before it can be safely released into the environment to reduce the amount and toxicity of water and waste. It is passed through a number of chambers and chemical processes in water treatment plant. Then denitrification, conversion of nitrates in a gas called denitrification. It is an ecological approach to prevent leaching of nitrates in soil. It stops groundwater from getting contaminated. Ozone waste water is another treatment. Then making a safety tanks, that is also possible. Individual can make the safety tanks. Now I am going to discuss about the effects of water pollution. Water pollution can be cause the death of animals found in water. It can kill various types of animals such as whale, dolphins, fishes, and even birds. If an animal get killed, all other animals will also affect, and the system will be in balance. It can, if affects human by acquiring various disease. People can get hepatitis from eating seafood that can be affected by polluted water. Also cholera is a common issue due to contaminated water, and it was killed many people in all parts of world. Indeed, water pollution is gradually destroying the balance of ecosystem. This is the this is the fault of the people, because majority of the bodies of water are now polluted, and its rehabilitation can take for many years. Now we can discuss prevention and solution of water pollutions. So one can easily do his part preventing water pollution today. One of the main thing to do is to never throw garbage in sea or lake. You can do this by minimizing your waste material and recycling things that you can still put to good use. Here are some ways that you can do prevent of water pollution. Plant trees or any plants near bodies of water. So when it rains, the topsoil with personal chemical will not get washed away. Big trees can help prevent soil erosion. This is so plantation of trees are very important in maintaining your lawn. Do not use any fertilizers. You can prevent high way runoff by simple avoiding pesticides. It can be advised to put oil or any type of chemical in toilet, sink and other. They may end up in the groundwater. Be responsible for the amount of water that you can use every day. It just watch how much water you use. You will be surprised that you can save huge amount of money or on your bill. For example, when you brush your teeth, use a cup instead of allowing it to flow endlessly. So there are n number of these things that we can use. Now conclusion. I'll just cover in this lecture. What is the conclusion? In sum, water pollution has been one of the major issues of countries around the world. Water is essential in our lives, and we cannot just ignore the fact that the world's source of clean water is depleting. The government spends billions to rehabilitate bodies of water and save their people from disease. Water pollution is caused by all citizens, whether those are small scale or huge. So disposal by big factory properly can be routed through However, we still time to improve Earth, planet, save the Mother Earth and destruction. We must change our lifestyle and live simple. So finally, save lake and save environment. Thank you very much.